do.
Keep looking. Find this guy's run.
Looks clear. Bad. Anything on the security feed?
Holy shit! Not good. Mother! You're done! All clear here. Keep looking. Find this guy's run. Think this is funny? Keep looking. Find this guy's run. Jesus Christ!
No contact.
Hold it! Over there! I think I see him!
No sign of fish.
Assault formation!
Could have
We're
been
going
anyone
in!
still like an hour.
Move it! Go!
I do not have a visual on the contact. Target in sight!
Whoever did this couldn't have gone far. No contact. Looks clear. Sam Fisher's not around for now. Sector's clear. Contact with Fisher. I do not want him alive in our building. And we'll see who's laughing when I put my boot up your ass. Nothing unusual to report. Still don't see Fisher. Are we sure? Fuck me!
You Fisher? Over here! Are you Fryman?
Yeah? Yeah! You're Fisher, right? Anna told me that you were coming. I was a big fan of yours back when you worked here. I was a big fan.
I'm touched. What do you have for me?
I've got those. Ultra high frequency sonar goggles, better than the stuff the new Splinter cells are getting. Hey, try them on. Voila. With these babies, you can see in the dark. You can see through walls. You name it.
It's not bad.
Plus, I tweak them so that you can see the security system laser grid. Trip the beam, and a turret targets the break. Nasty stuff. I programmed the algorithm. Sorry. Oh, just one thing. The top-of-the-line guys are packing similar gear, so if you can see them, they might be able to see you.
Thanks. Now you better get moving.
Oh, I'll be fine. I'll just tell the security guards that I was reading in the can. You know, they'll walk me right back to my office. And you, on the other hand, is... Good luck.
Fisher could be in the server room. I want everybody there. ASAP.
Requesting backup!
You got anyone in these conference rooms? Check them out.
No sign of Fisher. But we better hurry. Our offices need to be empty for tonight.
Stay alert. He's here somewhere.
Moving down the hallway.
Nobody sees Fisher? Damn it! Let's kill him before Colonel Reed kills us! Eyes and ears,
Check
people.
the boardroom.
Still no visual on the hostile.
Bathroom clear.
What the? Our guest, Fisher, is still target spot!
Fisher could be in the server room. I want everybody there. ASAP.
I don't have a picture of the target.
Check the boardroom.
No signs of movement. Playing it safe.
Bathroom
Better
clear.
hurry up and find Fisher, gentlemen. We have to close our building.
Check over by the stairs.
Area's quiet. Still no sign of the target. Oh, what?
I got...
Spot ref! It's Fisher! Contact!
Fisher's there!
Fisher could be in the server room. I want everybody there. ASAP.
There! That's Fisher! Holy shit! Cover that position! He's gotta be there! You think that's funny? Watch this!
What the shit? You better hide it! Stanford! Whoa!
Fisher's hiding! He's up to see you. Watch your back! The target...
Look out! Grenade!
No contact. Repeat, no contact. Jesus Christ!
God damn! Fisher's right here!